Inductor in circuits. So you have already seen this before. We have a current I flowing through the coil of inductance, let's say L. So we can replace this with a battery whose EMF is minus L di by dt. Now we are not using the mod sign. We are just writing it as minus L di by dt. So if we go from KVL from this point to this point, we get VA minus L di by dt, which is EMF of this battery, is equal to VB. Now you will see the importance of this negative sign and why we don't need to put a mod here. So first case, when current is constant I naught, then this di by dt becomes 0. So you directly get VA is equal to VB, or this can be a straight line. It can be shorted. Now when I is increasing, this term di by dt will be positive, which means VA minus of something is equal to VB, which means VA is greater than VB. And what is the difference? L di by dt. So the battery will be aligned like this. So automatically it is coming, the alignment of the battery, from this formula. Now here, third case, when I is decreasing, then di by dt is less than 0. This whole term becomes positive, which means VB is more than VA. By how much amount? L di by dt. So I can replace this with a battery oriented like this, and magnitude of EMF is L di by dt. So we need to consider only this equation, and everything can be derived from this. So let's do a problem based on this equation. So in circuit shown, I is equal to 5 ampere and it is decreasing at the rate of 10 ampere per second. We need to find Vy minus Vx. So we have a resistor here, a battery here, and a coil here with inductance 0.5 Henry. And we need to find Vy minus Vx. So let's use KVL and we'll start from here. So Vx minus IR plus 15 and EMF of batteries minus L di by dt is equal to Vy. Now IR I can write 1 into 5, 15 is 15, minus times L is 0.5, and di by dt I need to put with sign, which is minus 10, because it is decreasing. So you solve this and you will get Vy minus Vx is 15 volts. So now here you can see that if it would be increasing by 10 ampere per second, I still will write minus L di by dt, but that this time di by dt will become plus 10 instead of minus 10, and I'll get a new value of Vy minus Vx. So once again, this is the only equation you need to consider, and you can get all the results from this equation. So EMF, equivalent EMF of an inductor is minus L di by dt, always.